Today we're gonna be trading binary options. I just invested $100. Let's see if we can double it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? All those top trading reviews. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope this quarantine is not making you depressed, and hopefully I'm bringing you some good vibes, some energy to you guys. Anyway, I'm trading $100. I just invested in this binary options, pocket option, whatever. I got a beginner account. Apparently if you invest 100 you get the beginner. So there we go, 100 beginner, and what we're gonna do is, the plan is to make maybe $200 or something. Can we do that? I have no idea. This is binary options, anything can happen. If we won't make it, then we'll make another video trying it again. But if we do succeed, we might make it a series where I try out different types of strategies, you know, from forums, from all sorts of internet pages, you know, and see if they work or not. You know, I'm gonna be your testing bunny basically. So Euro JPY currently a 1 minute time frame over here on the pocket option. Euro JPY over here, I'm looking at the 4-hourly trend over here. If you've been following my second channel, FX Trading Lines, you know I trade forex most of the time. You know I don't trade binary options at all. So yeah, this is a good trading opportunity as we see it over here. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches confirms a trend towards the upside. Currently pulling back, and it should be pulling back yet again towards the upside. This is on the 4-hourly time frame. Let's have a look in the 1-hourly what's going on. So 1-hourly, as you can see, it had a bearish engulfing candle over here, then it pushed towards the previous area of sensitivity, which was here, and also the trend line towards the upside, right? So it's a good buying opportunity probably now on Euro JPY. So I'm gonna wait for a dip, some sort of dip. This is 1 minute time frame trading, by the way, so I'm gonna wait for some sort of dip. We can see the trend over here. I don't even know how to use all of these indicators in here on pocket option. Let's just try vertical line, horizontal, maybe trend line. There we go. Can we use that? Oh, it's I don't like it. It's kind of stiff, you know. I like using trading view in here. So if it pulls back a little bit on the 1 minute, just down there somewhere, I'm gonna be entering a buy trade. Let's have a look, trade amount. So I'm gonna be trading maybe, well, if we need to double up the account, we will need to martingale as well, I believe, if we don't get the trade running straight away. So I think $10 to $5, that's what we're gonna start with. I'm just waiting for that dip towards the downside before we're gonna start entering our position. So let's wait. So I'm here waiting patiently for the pullback towards the downside before entering this trade. Time until purchase, it says 25 seconds. This is what I hate about binary options. You have limited time. You know, if you're trading forex or something, it's much easier. You can enter anytime you want, especially on the 4-hourly, you know, 1 daily time frames. It's much easier. I think I'm gonna enter it anyway. Yeah, okay, it's pulling back a little bit. Let's enter $10 trade. Why not? I believe it should be okay. So let's see if we can win it. Okay, so it's fluctuating about. We'll see. I don't even know if it's closing at the moment now. Estimated profit. Oh, the profit is really low. Only 26% over here. So it's definitely lame. I have to really try and get a lot of trades going over here. Could we find something better? Euro JPY 26. That's definitely dead. We don't want to trade that. We lost 10. Okay, so we lost $10. My mistake. I didn't look how much profit we're gonna be making. So definitely dead. We're not gonna be trading that. A CAD Swiss franc. Let's have a look at CAD Swiss franc. Wow, I can't believe I made that mistake. So as you can see, guys, even I make mistakes, and I trade forex for 7 years. Imagine that. Okay, so it's falling down over here on the hourly, pulling back a little bit to the moving averages. Let's have a look what's happening here. Also pulling back. Okay, let's have a look at the 5 minute. It's trying to break this obviously a downtrend that we had. We see this downtrend over here trying to break it actually, so it could be a nice trade towards the upside on CAD Swiss franc, I believe. So let's see, 77, 86. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is double up since we lost our first trade. Oh, I wish I entered it somewhere around here. we see we entered on the bullish move towards the upside. It could now probably, if it pulls back a little bit till here, I might enter another trade. I might enter the $65 trade. If it doesn't come in, it doesn't come in. I get wiped off. If it does, then we are gonna be fine. But we'll see. It seems like a nice trade. As you see, it broke out an area of sensitivity, which is the downwards trend currently. This is price action on the 5-minute time frame. I also have a look at the 1 hourly to 4 hourly to see what's going on and have a rough estimate. But usually you use these moving averages, 20 and 50. I like it very much. Let's see what's going on here. So time until purchase. I believe my trade is still going to be running for a minute or two, so hopefully it doesn't plummet down. CAD Swiss franc, yeah, okay, so I believe it's going to be pushing towards the upside. Let's have a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, it's breaking the two moving averages lines, you know, the 50 and the 20, which is very, very important. And the candlesticks will close in 2.5 minutes. So after 2.5 minutes, if this candlestick is above these two lines over here, these moving averages, is going to be a nice trade towards the upside, and it'll probably continue till this level over here, because this is the previous area of resistance. So nice, we won this trade. I believe we can enter another trade, $10 straight away. If not, it might pull back a little bit. Let's see what's going on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, it's definitely breaking. I believe it's going to be pushing actually. Let's have a look what's going on here. It might find an area of sensitivity here, but this is obviously 1-minute time frame. It's not much of a sensitivity zone. You know, 1-minute time frames, resistance zones and support zones get broken all the time, but it's still a valid reason. You know, we're kind of scalping in here. You see it's broke out towards the upside. More than likely it's gonna pull back and then go towards the upside yet again. So nice trading. Yeah, very nice indeed, going back up. So we recovered our loss. We are $1.50 in profit. So let's see. Okay, 55. What's going on here? Yeah, it's pushing. So ideally, if it keeps pushing, I'm going to be waiting for a pullback towards the previous area of sensitivity. Currently touching another area of sensitivity here now, as we see it over here. So if it breaks that one, it's going to be a nice trade towards the upside yet again. So we'll see about that. So the trade came in, trade amount $10. There we go. So now there's probably going to be a small pullback somewhere over here, because it's now in a previous area of sensitivity. We see it over here, but the bullish pressure is kind of there actually. 15 minutes. Ooh, okay. Let's have a look. Okay, it's actually breaking this area of sensitivity here on the 15-minute time frame. I see it. So it's definitely, if now it closes towards the upside, it's going to be a nice trade, but we'll see. As you can see, it's getting respected a little bit. We'll see. This is the 15-minute candlestick. It's a little bit more important. 10 seconds. Let's see what's going on here. I said there's going to be a pullback. Usually after a push, you know, an army of Spartans, imagine that after a push, there's exhaustion and push again towards the upside. That's what's happening. So currently, yeah, okay, we had that. So let's have a look at the 5 minutes now. What's happening here? I believe it's going to carry on pushing, although it did have an area of sensitivity. It might have a small pullback, but I believe the trade to go for is the upside. We might need to wait for a pullback, but there we go. We're getting a pullback. Maybe a pullback till this zone would be quite nice. So if we get that, that would be great. But I'll enter it. I'll enter it $10. If something we're gonna double up. I always martingale, by the way, when I trade, you know, binary options. You know, when I traded expert option, how I made 10 grand. It's insane. And that's the way I do it personally. You don't have to do it. You can, you know, find your own strategy. But when I trade Forex, obviously I do martingale. I kind of go off, take profit once, twos and threes levels, risk management and everything else. But in binary options, it's hard to manage your risk. So it seems like it's pulling back now hard, as I expected, to be fair. Oh, it's pulling back towards this area of sensitivity, which is very important actually. I believe it's actually a nice trade now to go for it. Let's do 35 actually here. Why not? I believe it's gonna shoot back up very soon. Actually, it's reached this area of sensitivity. It should be shooting back up, so that's why I'm trading yet again. We'll see if this turns out to be correct. If not, that's okay. It's only $100 balance, so you know it's hard to make money with $100 anyway on binary options, but it's possible. It's definitely possible. If you haven't seen one of my videos, I think I made on IQ option video where I showed you all my withdrawals, and I made a ton of times, you know, multiple accounts, you know, in thousands from $100. So yeah, 140 currently. Okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, it's pulling back again. I believe it's a good area to actually buy yet again. So let's do $10 here. A cheeky $10 place. Estimated profit, so 18. Okay. Currently it's trying to break this area of sensitivity here, which is not unexpected, to be fair. It's 5 minutes, you know, but could be somewhere around here. When you do support and resistance areas, you can always move them about a little bit, because it's always an area of sensitivity. There's no real like a line where it's gonna bounce back, you know. It's always an area, and a good forex trader or a good trader in general will always adapt to the market situations, especially when you trade in low time frames and all that. Look at that, it started to go up at the last second. That's very unfortunate actually. I'm gonna double up straight away. 25 over here. Not the best entry. I don't really like this entry, but if something, we're gonna carry on doubling up. You know, with the reason why we double up is because we don't want to lose the money we already made. So let's see CAD Swiss franc. Yeah, it's definitely pulling back from this zone on the 5 minute time frame. Let's have a look on the 1 hourly, 1 minute, sorry. Yeah, there we go. We see this uptrend. It's kind of steep uptrend. I don't really like steep trends, but that's okay. We see it over here, right, going up. Now having a pullback, should be going up yet again. Usually that's what happens after a push from an important level zone, which is the yellow zone over here. Should be a pullback and a push again towards the upside. So there we go, very nice indeed, came in. So yeah, I'm gonna enter this trade now yet again. It's probably gonna at least reach this level over here. If it finds some sort of sellers at the top of over here, it might, you know, then it's gonna be a double top, you know, 2 tops, and then it might push down, but we'll see about that. I believe it might actually push towards the upside even more. It seems like the momentum is definitely there. As we see the last 30 minutes, it has just got up, you know. Let's have a look how much it moved on price range, you know, 35 pips. So that's pretty damn good if you ask me. And if you haven't joined my VIP trading signals, you're more than welcome to do so. This is my trade I sent on my VIP trading signals. Currently not doing too bad. You see, we entered it somewhere around here. It was around 25 pips profit, but now it pulled back a little bit. Now it's in 10, but that's okay. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, so CAD Swiss franc, $10 yet again. So $160.30 currently. Can we buy yet again? I believe we can. 1 minute, so 5 minutes. There we go. Okay, what's happening here? So it pulled back, as I said, you know, after a push, there's always exhaustion, and it's pushing back again. Now it's in between these two areas. If it goes here, and touches this zone, there's a potential push towards the downside yet again if it finds some sort of sellers. But I believe that the momentum is definitely there. In the last 40 minutes it pushed 30 to 40 pips, and that's pretty damn good. So I believe this trade should be okay. If it doesn't come in straight away, what we're gonna do is double up yet again, so we'll see. So I believe this is where it says when my trade is gonna end. I never used this platform before, guys, so I'm I'm learning the way I go. I thought I'll film a video. I haven't uploaded in this channel for so long. I've been concentrating on my forex only channel. I like making forex trading videos since I have been trading forex for 7 years, and I just want to bring you guys value. And if you want to join my VIP, as I said, it will be the first link down in the description below. Oh, very close. Is it gonna come in? Doesn't look like it, no, but we definitely gonna double up. Bad entry, come on. I wish I entered it here. On binary options, when you trade in low time frames, you kind of want to get the best entry, but sometimes you can't. The broker screws you a little bit. As I said, it's moving towards this area of sensitivity, the higher high, the previous higher high. So if it breaks this area of sensitivity, which is here, and it should be pushing back up. If it doesn't break, then it might be going back down till this yellow rectangle. So it's in between these two areas currently, as we see it over here. So we'll see. If it breaks, then we know what to do. If it doesn't, then we might be selling it on CAD Swiss franc. But nonetheless, it seems like it's a good trade. It should be closing in just a second. There we go, it came in very nice indeed. So I think it's a good time to end this trading session. $171.80, very close to 200. I don't want to trade anymore today since the markets are closing. I'm trading kind of in the late hours, late evening a little bit, so the market volatility will definitely die off. We actually can see it a little bit over here. Look at this push that happened, and look what's happening now. Definitely volatility is not there anymore, but I'm happy with this trade, and we'll continue trading in the next trading session. I'm planning to be making 2 videos a week on this channel, trading binary options, trading different types of strategies. So if you have a strategy to offer and you want to see me trading with this strategy on binary options, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll implement the strategy and see if it's any profitable at all. As I said, if you want to join my forex trading group where I send you guys the signals, you'll learn how to trade as well, since I give out reasons. It will be the first link down in the description below. You may want to try out Copysaurus as well. It's a new auto trading software. Apparently some people found a lot of success. I withdraw some of my money out there because of the market conditions in general, because of this virus and pandemic that's happening, but some people are trading and some people have sent me screenshots with good results. So good on you. If you want to join, it will be the second link down in the description below. And make sure to follow all my social medias, especially Instagram, since I'm gonna be making a lot of giveaways in there, so make sure to follow me to not miss them. Anyway, peace out guys, have a wonderful day and goodbye.
Everything changes.